Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well and you're watching my YouTube channel Advanced Technology by Rana. In the previous session, we upgraded the iOS for catalyst switches, and in today's session, we are going to upgrade the iOS for the Cisco routers. Okay, and in the Cisco router, I will do the upgrade for ISR series, and the process is same as it is. First, I will do show inventory command, and I should have the exact part number for my router for which I have to upgrade the iOS. Okay, so my router is ISR 4331K9, which I'm going to upgrade the iOS. I will do one thing. I will just go to the Cisco website. Okay, and I'll go to the support. From the support, I'll go to the product and download. From the product and download, I will go to my router. Okay, and from router, I'll go with the series of ISR 4331. Let me check over here. Okay, so this is my ISR 4000 series. I'll go over here and I'll go to the software. From the software, I have to go to the exact model, which is ISR 4000. Let me check over here on the support, product and downloads, routers. Yes. So I'll go over here. I'll select 4000 series and then I'll go to my model, which is 4331. Okay. So I'll go to the downloads. So guys, I'll go with the latest model. The same iOS model are available in the Cisco ISR. There are different Gibraltar, and this is Cupertino, Bengaluru. So I'll go with the Bengaluru. There is no much difference in between all, except it's a different release. But in the routers, guys, we will not upgrade the iOS for the device, but also we have to upgrade the Rommon software. In the latest model of the ISR, we have to upgrade the Rommon as well. So I'll go and download this Rommon model. So first I will upgrade the iOS for the Rommon, and then I'll go with the product iOS XE software. So I will download this one, and I will download this firmware software, Bengaluru. Okay. Since I have already downloaded it and I copied to my USB flash, let me show you over here. So this is the same iOS with the release dates, file name, and minimum MD required, and MD5 checksum, which will do the verification. So I already downloaded it and copy to my USB flash. Okay. So I already copied this one. So what I will do now, I will just plug my USB to my router's USB connectivity. Okay, USB port, I mean. So I will close this one. And I will plug the USB. I have upgraded this one. Okay, I connected to my USB. Now I'll check here. Show USB 0 is by default the first USB. Okay, and I can see my two softwares are already there. So first I will upgrade the iOS for the Roman mode. So command, I will use it, copy USB 0, boot, flash, and I will mention the file Okay, it will ask me the source file. I'll copy the same one, and destination will be also same. So it copied already. The next thing, I will do the verification that there is no compromise in the integrity of the file. For this one, I will put the command verify md5 bootflash, and I'll copy the same file name. Okay, so it already verified that it is correct. There is no change in the iOS firmware during the copy. So the next thing, I will do one thing. I will just upgrade it with the command upgrade ROM monitor and file name bootflash, and I'll copy the file. Okay. Okay. I put forget the keyword for all. Okay. And once it upgraded, it will make a reboot. And after the reboot, we will upgrade the iOS for the device. It's doing the verification of the ROM image. Okay. I will do one thing. I will do the write memory, and I will do a quick reboot. After the reboot, we will upgrade the iOS for the router. Still, I have the same iOS. If you see 16.9.4. Okay, so finally our router is rebooted, and now we'll copy the iOS for the router. But I will verify the Roman firmware is updated or not. Okay, So I will do one thing. I will make a command show platform. Okay. So 16 to 1612 to R is the Roman firmware which we updated. If I make it show USB 0, you will find the same 1612 to R. Okay. So we already did successfully upgrade of the Roman firmware. So our next step is to copy for the IOS for the router. Copy USB 0 boot flash. I will mark copy the command. Okay. I'll just make a space. So the IOS start copying to the flash. Once it's done, we will do the verification for the MD5. So we have done the copy for the IOS, and now I will do the verification. Verify MD5 boot flash IOS. After the verification, guys, I will do the backup of my configuration and keep it safe in the boot flash. So in case something happen, I have the backup for my configuration in the flash. Okay. Okay. So I'll do one thing. I will copy running configuration boot flash and I'll give the name backup. Okay. The file is also backup. Okay. So if I do show boot flash, you will find this file in the last. Okay, so this is the file which I copy here in the boot flash as backup. So now I will do one thing. I will give the command to copy the boot image to the router config key. Here I will give a command no boot system. Okay. The next command which I will give it boot system flash boot flash, and then I'll put the name of the file. Sorry. Boot system flash boot flash, and then the file name. Let me copy from here. This is the IOS image. Okay. I'll do one thing. I'll give command write memory and I will do a reload. Once it reloaded, it will take the new image. So guys, it booting with the new iOS, which is 17.603A. Okay, so we have done the successfully upgrade of the iOS on the Cisco router. Once it rebooted, I will do the verification and then we will finish our lab for today. And I hope guys you have enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. And if you like this video, please provide your positive feedback. Okay guys, finally we have done the upgrade of the iOS. We'll check over here. The new iOS is the same file which we copied, 17.603, and this was our session for today. Another thing, I already created one small document within the PDF for the iOS upgrade step. Okay, this document or these commands I will copy in the description of this video, so you people can read and download it as per your requirement. It's a complete step for the Rommon monitor version upgrade. All the steps are there. Then in the second page there is iOS XT version upgrade Cisco router. Okay guys, so this command will be available in the description. So we have done our second session. So please, I hope to see you again with a new video, which is the next iOS upgrade. Okay, take care. Bye bye.